you should know about Toyotress hair is they are absolutely fabulous. They smell great. The loops, look, just look. I haven't even done anything. Look at the rest. They've got amazing loopholes. Come on. Come on, come on, come on. Only Toyotress can make you feel this amazing way that I feel. Hey tribe, welcome back to my channel. This is Gabby on your screen, and on today's video I'm going to be doing a crochet install using Dreadlocs by Toyotress in 12 inches, 20 pieces per pack. For this look I'm going to be using 3 packs as I'm going to show you in this video. If you think this is something you want to know about, or you want to see how I'm going to achieve this gorgeousness, keep watching. Come on, let's go. If you're a new subscriber watching me for the first time, kindly do what? Go click the subscribe button right now. And if you're a returning subscriber, yay! I just want to say thank you to my returning subscribers, to my subscribers that drop comments on my comment section. I love y'all. Thank you. You're amazing. And because of you, brands, I tell you, I've got a lot of brand collaborations going on in my DM, on my Instagram DM, in my emails. I'm so grateful. Thank you for your comments, your love, your repost, your shares. You guys, thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. I don't have a great voice, but I'm going to sing for my subscribers because you guys are the main, real, absolutely MVP plug on my channel. So today, as you can see, I've got my cornrows in place, and I'm not bringing a wig cap on this video because I'm obviously not reviewing a wig. Today I'm going to be reviewing this crochet braids from Toyotress. Look, 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 look. I love this collection. This is the Dreadlock collection by Toyotress in 20 inches, and each has got 20 strands. So we've got 1, 2, 3, and that's 60 strands in haul today. I don't want to say my feelings right now, but it looks like it's not going to be enough. But I feel like 60 strands of Dreadlock is just going to be perfect, but never say never. So let's just go right into this video and see how I'm going to fit all of this awesome, gorgeousness, beautiful hair by Toyotress onto my braid pattern. So talking about my hair, if you look closely, you would see that I have the braid pattern, like the individual braid pattern that I eventually braided down to be a cornrow, and I've got, in total, I've got 8 cornrows, but at my back, as I just showed you right now, I've got 6, so it's 8 starting from the front, and at the back it goes down to 6 because I feel like this is not so much. I'm trying to, you know, make the braid pattern closely enough so that everything spreads out nicely. But before I go on and on, I just wanted to know that Toyotress is an absolutely amazing favorite brand of mine. As you can see, go back to my previous videos, which I'm going to link here or here right now. You're going to see that I've reviewed a couple of Toyotress's hair, and if I don't like it, I'm not going to keep going back. Saying a huge thank you to Toyotress for collaborating with me on this video. Thank you guys. You guys are amazing. Talking about the Toyotress hair, if you guys have noticed, they're super soft. They're soft, they're very durable. I love the crochet hooks. They're so perfect. Like, I do not have to stress myself to bring them out. I'm just going to show you a thread. Bringing out this from the pack, this is what it looks like. So they have of their pack, and this is the full hair. This is what it looks like. It's 60 in haul. It smells like hair. And they're so comfy on the skin. Like, it doesn't itch or scratch me. I know a lot of us have sensitive skin, including myself. I've got sensitive skin and I react so much to Kua's hair. So one thing about Toyotress is they have fine hair. They're very durable, they're reusable, they last long, they stay put together. The crochet hooks are also just the right amount of loop comes with the crochet hooks. Just so it's so convenient for you to get this in. Like, let me show you an example. This is it. I'm just gonna put it, I've got 2, I can actually put 3 fingers in here, but I'm just gonna use 2. Dip this in and pull it all the way out. You can see that it's so easy to do your crochet looks. You don't have to tug at the loops for so long. So before I bore you all with the stories, let's just get right into this video. let's just look into this beauty. Look, it looks like exact dreadlocks. Like, feel this, fam. Look at that. It relaxes so well. This is the tip, and look. So it's so natural, so relaxed, and let's just see how beautiful this is gonna look on me. Oh my goodness, I've never done dreads before, just so you know. So this is my first time trying dreads. Let's see if I'm gonna be as fabulous as I always am. Just so you know, to get your crochet braids on, the first thing you have to do is to get your cornrows on. If you don't like cornrows, you can plait it individually and cornrow it to the end. That's also an idea. The individual one makes it look like you have braids on, like you have literally individual braids. But because of the kind of hair I have, it's still a teeny weeny. I couldn't experiment so much, so I decided to just do a little bit of this side. I'm just gonna take my crochet hook. Look, this is what it looks like. Putting it in like so. Open it up here. I'm just gonna close it. Putting it into the hook like so. And I'm gonna pull it down. So there you go, I've got the first one in, and I'm just going to do the same thing for every other place. So because I've got the individual braid patterns over here, this side is going to be a little bit more closed up, and this side is going to be like the bulky area, because this is where my pattern is going to come. It's going to be here and here. It's so soft, it's so lightweight. I can't believe this. It's so lightweight. Look at that. I'm gonna do the same thing I did over here onto this other side. If you haven't bought your Toyotress Dreadlock 12 inches 20 pieces hair, I don't know what you're still doing. Go to the link in my description box right now to get yours, because I'm gonna be slaying this summer, like, period. Summer, we're coming for you. We're gonna snatch your edges, okay? Thing is, I actually open up this in like 5 seconds. I open up the hole like so. So I'm just gonna keep going, and guys, keep watching. Check me out. Boom. Pow. 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 What are you saying? Are you feeling the Rastafarian in front of you? Oh my goodness. I love this. I love this hair. The only downside that I would say, because you know I always tell you the truth, is it's a bit scanty. Okay, for me, I've got not very full fussy hair, so my root is so scanty. So I feel like, can you see it? Can you see the lines? I don't like the fact that I can actually see the lines. I like it to be like blocked, but apart from that, everything is fine. But I think a lot of people would like this. I prefer a very full and bulky hair, but that being said, it's perfect, it's amazing, it's flawless, it's smooth. Should I keep going? It's not coarse, it's a fine hair, it's properly matted. I'm the latest Rastafarian in town. I'm being silly. Girl. Click the link in my description box right now to order for yours, because you don't want to miss out on this. But if I were you, I think I'll go a little bit more. If you have scanty hair like me, I would order 4 packs so that it can fill up the little holes that I have. The full head is going to be 3 full packs, but I think I would prefer to go for 4 because I've got scanty hair, and that's pretty fine, because I can still rock this. Like, I whip my hair back and forth, I whip my hair back and forth, I whip my hair back and... Can you whip your hair? If you want to whip your hair back and forth like mine, click the link in my description box right now to take advantage of the opportunity that Toyotress is giving you on this hair. Come on, girl. What did you say? What did you say? Were you talking to me? Nah. Go get your crochet hair first before you can talk to me, okay? Get your hair first before you can say anything to me. Thank you to my subscribers watching to the end of this video. As you can see, this hair by Toyotress is lightweight, it's pretty good. It doesn't itch my skin. It's like so flawless. I love the fact that Toyotress decided to collaborate with me on shooting this video. I hope you guys love it like I do, and you're going to click the link in the description box to get yours. They're easy to install. You can wash them. Yeah, before you install, you can wash them. Just going to do a couple of styling tips that you can use. As you can see, I've got it down on just like a side part. Next up, I'm just going to take it all over this way and angle like so. I'm just going to wrap it up and put in the headband. Look at the way I actually just revamped this look. Look, you can get this, you can take this to work, to hang out with your girls, literally to do anything. This is style number 1. Entering the summer period, so if you're feeling a little bit too hot and sexy, you can just take everything off your neck, pack it up in a bun, and trust me, whatever style you think you can achieve, tell me you don't like this. Like, look at the way I just packed it up off my neck with my look earrings. Looks just perfect and fabulous. Took it off my neck, and I can do anything. I can actually swim with this. I run through the packs with this, like literally do anything without getting the hair on my neck in case I'm irritable at some, you know, highest temperature of the day. But look, let's get to another styling. This is style number 3. You can actually pack your hair in 2 equal buns and just drop it in by the sides. As you can see, I twisted it inwards and I've got this. To get another style, I'm just going to take this down and wrap it all the way to the sides. You see a lot of people that have locks. This is what they usually do. They just try to take it off their necks, and you see them wrap it up all the way to this angle, and this is like just perfect. Look at the way I just took it, boom, like literally this is so perfect. I just showed you, that's a couple of hairstyles that you can actually rock. Once you get your crochet and style it, kindly tag me on Instagram at Garbie'Signature. I want to know the kind of styles you're going to be doing and how you're going to be rocking this hair, and I'll be coming back with more videos. Till next time, bye guys.